Step number 1, I want you to go to youtube.com and click on the Shorts tab. From there, you can find different videos to watch. I want you to click on one of these videos. Step number 2, once you're on that video, I want you to watch a minimum of 10 seconds of that video. When you watch one YouTube Shorts video, you can earn $12. When you watch 10 YouTube Shorts videos, you can earn $120. And when you watch 50 YouTube Shorts videos, you can earn $700 in a day. And guess what? The cool part is that you could repeat this as many times as you want to keep on making money. This is a 100% legit method of making money watching videos, and it works worldwide. You could be in any country. All you need is an iPhone, Android, or computer. I'm even going to show you a few examples of videos you could watch right now to start earning. Hey, welcome back. Now, before I show you exactly how to earn $12 per YouTube Shorts video you watch, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video. And smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's see if we can get to 3,000 likes by the end of the day. So make sure to watch all the way through and do not skip over any of the steps. Now, the 2 steps to earning $12 per YouTube Shorts video you watch are: Step number 1, I'll be revealing the top platform that is paying people free PayPal money to watch YouTube Shorts. Step number 2, I'll be showing you how to earn from others watching YouTube Shorts. The very first thing you are going to need to do is come on over here to the Shorts shelf. Now, how you get here is you type in #Shorts in the YouTube search bar, or you can come on over here to Shorts on the left-hand side. Now, as you can see, there are 670 million Shorts videos here to choose from, 37 million channels, and by the end of the year, there's probably going to be over a billion videos. The niche that I selected is very specific. These videos earn the most amount of money, and I found this by scrolling down for about 10 minutes and finding a good niche of videos to select to start earning when you watch them. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to type in #Shorts plus ASMR Tingles. Okay, #Shorts plus ASMR Tingles. Now, what's going to happen is these videos are going to pop up, and these videos have, like, 319,000 views, 8.4 million views, 374,000 views, hundreds of thousands of views on these videos of people making sounds. Okay, so it's a new niche, lots of people are making a lot of money from it. And some of these channels have millions of subscribers. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the most popular channel in this niche. And as we can see, it's this one right here, Gibby ASMR, 4.77 million subscribers. So we're going to click on her channel, and as you can see, 4.77 million subscribers. She's getting millions upon millions of views. In fact, one of her most popular videos has 54 million views. So I want you to be able to profit off not only watching these videos, but also from everyone else watching these videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Shorts tab. We're going to press on Most Popular, and as you can see, there is this video right here, 2.9 million views, which we could then click on. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and what we're going to do, so we're going to press this little share button. What that's going to do, it's going to pull up this link for us, and we're going to go change that link into a money link. Okay, so every time someone actually clicks on that link and watches this video right here, you're going to get paid. You can click on the link and watch the video yourself and get paid, and then you could also share it. I'm going to show you exactly where to share it to get thousands of people to click on your money link. Now, as you can see on this special site, there are people making $10, $20, $22 right here for views from Greenland. Ireland's making 16 per thousand views, United States $8, Belgium $7.50 per thousand views. Now, imagine on this video that got 2.4 million views, you got paid out like $8 per thousand views. That would be tens of thousands of dollars, right? So I want you to take advantage of this. Now, select your country. I don't know if your country is on here, but if it's not, don't worry. Go all the way down, and there is a worldwide deal of $3.30 per thousand views. So it doesn't matter where you are, this works anywhere in the world. Now, as you can see, the payment proof, people are getting paid out today. As you can see, every single hour of the day to their PayPal accounts, right here. $5, $5, $5, simply for watching YouTube Shorts videos. $23, $20, $8.30, right. And they pay out many different ways. PayPal is just the most popular. They also have to your bank account, Payoneer, or Paydim. So that's, there's thousands of pages of people getting paid on this site. Now, this site is called ShrinkMe. Now, ShrinkMe is a good site to basically paste your link here and change it into a money link, right. Highest paying URL shortener. Join now and earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to log in. We're going to come here, we're going to go to New Shorten Link. Okay, we're going to come here, New Shorten Link, and then we're going to paste our link right there. Okay, now we pasted our link. We're just going to shorten it, and boom, it's going to spit out a money link. Now, this right here is our money link. So what we have to do now is just get people to click on that money link and watch the video. Once they click on it, you're going to get paid. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to 2 special sites that are basically built around this ASMR community. So people that actually want to watch these videos, we don't want to share our link with people that don't like this content. We want to share it with people who love this content. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab that link. We're going to come on over here to one of the most popular forums called ASMR Tingles. Okay, ASMR Tingles. As you can see, they're getting views every single day on all these posts. And what you could do is you could go into these forum posts and start sharing your link. Say, hey, check out this most popular video I found on YouTube with ASMR, and then paste that link. What's going to happen is all these viewers right here are going to click on your link. There's thousands of posts on this particular site, so you'll never run out of people who will watch and click on your money link to watch that video. Now, this is a decent place to start. You can get a couple hundred views, maybe even a few thousand here. But if you want tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of views, you want to come on over here to Facebook. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to type in ASMR, you're going to go to groups, and go to public groups because you don't want to go to a private group. Sometimes they don't let you in or they don't like you posting your videos or links. So we want to go here, and then we're going to go to, like, this group right here, public, 1.7 million members. So you're going to get access to over 1 million people. And you're going to come here, and as you can see, people are posting their videos. So you're just going to post your link, your money link, and it's going to show a preview of the video. And as you can see, this one that got posted just the other day got 180 likes. That means probably over 137 people saw this particular video, and this is on every single post. 110 likes, 889 likes, 116 likes. These are all video links, just like the one you're going to share on this site. Now, this is a great way to start earning a few $100 or even a few thousand on the side. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join my Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.